What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at the JBL by Harman Flip 4, and this is a portable Bluetooth speaker that's also waterproof. It has around 12 hours of battery life, waterproof, and you can connect up to 100 plus devices like this using JBL's technology. So it's a really nice box. Wow. Great packaging. So as you can see, there are probably two mid-range speakers, and then there's a woofer here. See the flex, and another woofer here. So this probably packs a punch. We have a play pause button, volume, Bluetooth, power, and then JBL's sync. Alright. Then I just cut my nails, can't open that, but that has an AUX and a USB port for charging. So it's connected to my phone. I'm going to play something.